to learn today trigonometry formulas, but with a little story format. Okay, because a lot of times I meet students who find it very difficult to remember these set of formulae. So today this little story you will have to remember, and if you remember that story, it will be very easy to understand these formulas. And like all Bollywood movies, you know, there's always a hero and a villain, a good person and a bad person. Today also we have two characters. The two characters are sine and cosine, your two trigo ratios, of which sine is your hero. He is a good person. He has very good values in life. Okay? And cos is your bad person. Okay? He is very, you know, greedy, does little negative exhibits of his behavior as we go through this. So will you remember that? Who's your hero? Sine. And the villain is? Cos. Okay. So now let's start with the first. Now first thing, we should learn the format. This set of formula, the format कैसा है पता है? Something something sine something something. What is it? Come on. Something something sine something something. Sine is not sin sine. जो साइन आते हैं ना नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव, वो वाला साइन. ओके, अगेन समथिंग समथिंग साइन समथिंग समथिंग. ओके, अगेन समथिंग समथिंग साइन समथिंग समथिंग. Ready to fill the somethings? Lovely. First we start with our Mr. Hero. Okay, very sweet guy, very nice guy. So he believes in sharing. He has this value of share. तो जब दो बंदे आते हैं ना उसके पास A और B, he gets two new things, A and B. So what he does is, in the first phase of life, he keeps one part for himself and he says, cost one you take. I'm sharing with you. Okay? Got that? Okay? And in the second phase of his life, he says, Arey, you didn't get that first part, no, last time. So take. You take first part. And I will take the second part. See, sine takes the first part and gives cos the second part. Okay? Then in the second phase of life, he says, now cos, you take the first part, I'll take the second part. Clear with that? And he's a very honest person. इधर प्लस था ना, वो प्लस ही रखेगा. बहुत honest है. जैसा था वैसा ही रखेगा. Clear with that? Okay. Now, let's go to Mr. Cos. Same scenario, cos A plus B. How is cos? What kind of a person? Bad person. Okay? So what he does? He says, मैं दोनों part मेरे लिए रखेगा. Okay? First phase in life, cos A, cos B. दोनों part बोलते हैं मैं अपने लिए रखेगा. Okay? And what about second phase in life? फिर उसको देना पड़ता है ना. तो then he gives sin A, sin B. So in the first phase of life, he acts very greedy. He gives both the parts to himself. और वो लबाड़ है. इधर क्या था? प्लस ना. वो प्लस का क्या कर देगा? माइनस. Got the idea right? Okay? Coming to this now. So now guess it. अभी क्या होगा? Guess करो. साइन अच्छा वाला है तो क्या करेगा? साइन क्या करेगा? साइन ए करेक्ट. एक पार्ट वो अपने लिए रखेगा, कॉस को दूसरा पार्ट दे देगा. और दूसरे फेज में क्या करेगा? कॉस ए वो उसको देगा और बी खुद लेगा. कम ऑन टेक अ गेस. इधर क्या आएगा? माइनस. क्यों? गुड बॉय. करेक्ट. माइनस है ना तो इधर वो माइनस ही रखेगा. लबाड़गिरी नहीं करेगा. Clear? Okay? Coming to our Mr. Lawad again. Cos. अब ना फिनाले में जब माइनस आता है ना, ओके, अब ये क्या करेगा? Come on, think about it. क्या आएगा इधर? फर्स्ट पार्ट में cos क्या करते हैं हमेशा? Selfish. Yes. So what will it be? Cos A, cos B. दोनों चाहिए उसको. ओके? और फिर दूसरे पार्ट में बोलते हैं अच्छा चलो sin A, sin B. देखो देना ही पड़ेगा ना भाई, तो दे ले. ओके, नेक्स्ट चेंज कर देता है. ठीक है? अंडरस्टूड द फर्स्ट सेक्शन? ओके. नाउ कमिंग सेम बिहेवियर, कोई चेंज नहीं हुआ. ओके, बट ये बात पहले क्या सीखने का? फॉर्म. व्हाट इज द फॉर्म ऑफ दिस? द फॉर्म ऑफ दिस इज 2 समथिंग a plus b by 2 something a minus b by 2. Okay, I'll repeat. बोलो. 2 something a plus b by 2 something a minus b by 2. बोलते जाओ. Come on. 2 something A plus B by 2 something A minus B by 2. Once more. 2 something A plus B by 2 something A minus B by 2. This is the form. Okay? Now let's see the behavior. We're starting with our hero. Okay? Sine. Always Sine has shown this typical characteristic. What does he do? Keeps for himself and gives one part. So first part he will keep for himself. And second part he will give. Any problem with this? Okay. How is cos behaving always? Greedy. I want everything. Okay. So cos I want everything. Okay. सब अपने लिए रखता है वो. Now coming to this. अब स्टोरी में थोड़ा सा ट्विस्ट है. ट्विस्ट ये है कि ना बेचारा साइन लॉस में जाने वाला था. किसमें जाने वाला था? लॉस में जाने वाला. तो उसका लॉस होने से पहले ना कॉस हड़प लेता है और सारा लॉस किसको उठाना पड़ता है? साइन. ओके. अब हर बॉलीवुड मूवी की तरह वे कमिंग टू द एंड वेयर एवरीथिंग चेंजेस एंड एवरीथिंग इज नाइस एंड गुडी गुडी. ओके. अब मिस्टर कॉस का हृदय परिवर्तन होता है. चेंज ऑफ हार्ट. ओके. अब जब कॉस लॉस में जाता है ना, व्हेन ही सीज द बैड डेज इन लाइफ, ना ही फील्स कि अरे मैंने कितना खराब किया साइन के साथ, तो अब उसका चेंज ऑफ हार्ट हो जाता है. सो गेस व्हाट कम्स हियर? करेक्ट. ओके. उसका हृदय परिवर्तन होने की वजह से योर बोथ हैव बिकम साइन. और इधर एक माइनस आएगा, वो अपने घाटे को मुनाफा में बदल देता है साइन के लिए. ओके. ही मेक्स हिज लॉसेस इनटू प्रॉफिट्स एंड गिव्स इट बैक डबली टू मिस्टर साइन. This same story, same way we're going to apply. Ready with that? Okay. Now, in this set of it, okay, we are going to again learn the form. Okay. What's the form of this? Come on. It will be 2 something something. Simple. Okay. Come on, say 2 something something, 2 something something, 2 something something. You have to guess that something. Use the same idea here. Okay. We start with this one. I want you to start. So I mixed it up so that you can think about it. Okay. Plus. Okay. Sine is in plus situation. Sine is a hero. What does he do? Gives and takes. So first he sine takes and then he shares it. Okay. Next, when cos comes in the similar situation, when he's in profit. When he is in profit, okay, here also he was in profit. ये profit में होने के बावजूद भी एक देता है और एक लेता है, और ये profit में होते हुए क्या करता है? Greed. Okay, I want everything. तो ये क्या होगा? Cost. अब आते हैं घाटे की तरफ. Okay, now when they see bad days in their life, when they see losses, okay, at that time when sine sees losses, before that cos comes to know you're going to go in loss. So what he does? Cos takes the first part before he goes in loss. And then all the losses on whose side? Sine. Okay. But now comes the क्या है ये? End. मतलब क्या होता है इधर? हृदय परिवर्तन. Okay. Change of heart. So इस वक्त क्या होगा? सोचो. Sine A and sine B. He says sine take everything and that too I'm turning you into minus, meaning profits. Minus of minus, profits. Okay, so he gives him back and the story ends happily. Is that clear to you guys?